very happy to introduce our latest series of videos. We filmed these in an IATF 16949 certified organisation, a Tier 1 supplier involved in the remanufacturing of used diesel particulate filters. With an ever-increasing focus on the environment and sustainability, remanufacturing in the automotive sector is continuing to increase. And for these remanufactured diesel particulate filters, it's essential that they are fully compliant with the stringent emissions legislation. The videos that you're going to see will show extracts of simulated IATF 16949 audits focused on the organisation's remanufacturing processes. So watch the videos and see if the auditor is undertaking the audits effectively. As always, we really welcome and value any feedback and comments, so please feel free to drop any comments under the videos.
So I want to follow the process then from the engraving.
Yeah.
Can you show me the next operation?
Yeah, put the lid on top by making sure these two are facing here. So I turn it like that and put them in like that.
Okay.
Then I make sure that there's no gaps in between here.
Okay.
So I just check with my hand, then I push it. Then I come here to pair it. I press load, and then I scan it. And I press pair.
Yeah.
Once it's paired, I put back the gun. Then I push it ready for loading onto the X-Batch.
Okay, and this operation, what is this operation doing then?
It's when you're scanning it, because when it goes into the dryers, it pairs with the dryer because it's been scanned.
Okay.
Yeah, it has, I think, a chip under here. So that pairs there and it pairs onto the dryer.
Right.
And then from the dryer to the next step.
Good. But this is what? This is washing. This is the second step of washing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is actually washing the ceramic itself.
Okay.
Yeah, this cleans the ceramic.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So let's follow the process the other side then.
Yeah.
And see the process after washing. Okay, and what's the purpose of this process then? What are we doing here?
We're drying the filter after washing it.
Right, okay.
Yeah, these are all dryers.
And how long does it have to stay in the dryer?
For these small ones, it takes about 20-25 minutes.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and
I mean 5 minutes, sorry.
yeah,
5 minutes.
and everything you've shown me matches what the work instruction says.
Yeah.
So no, well done, thank you.
Yeah.
We'll then pick it up after the dry.
Yeah, it's picked from the dryer and then I'll put on the main line.
Right, so I'll follow that next.
Yeah, but there are no people unless they tell you we go and work there.
Okay, maybe we'll pick it up a bit later then.
Yeah, the next shift will be doing that.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much.
Oh.
In this audit, the auditor is auditing the drying of the diesel filter. Before the filter is dried, the operator explained that the filter is paired with the system using the engraved identification put on the product in the previous process. The auditor's style put the auditor at ease to be able to explain the process. Again, there was the opportunity for the auditor to review the work instructions for the process related to IATF requirement 8.5.1.2, standardised work, operator instructions and visual standards. The auditor should have used the control plan to verify the process controls, which for example could include the water quality, the water pressure, etc., and then follow audit trails to how the equipment is maintained. Often control plans are biased more towards product controls rather than process controls. But in processes like this, the washing process, the effectiveness of the process is really determined by the control of the process parameters. When auditing manufacturing, auditors should, as part of audit preparation, ensure that the manufacturing processes are running. In this case, the auditor found that the next step in the process was not running and stated that he would have to adjust the audit agenda to cover this later in the audit. With good planning, this could have been avoided. In a process like drying, the auditor should more focus on the process control rather than just the pure inspection of the product, using the PFMEA, which should have identified the risk, and the control plan, which should identify the control. In the planning of any audit, the auditor should ensure that the processes are running. In this case, the auditor hadn't, and it meant that they were going to have to adjust their audit agenda so they could revisit the process when it was running again.